He is raised the dead. What a God, what a God, what a God. You know, listen, me say they put him on the cross. They put a sword to his side. Me say they just man. Peter denied him. They put nails to his hand. They put thorns on his head. Me say the grave couldn't hold him. And the third he rose. Oh, what a God, what a God, what a God, mighty God. Can I tell you about the power of this God? He has healed the sick. He has raised the dead. What a God, what a God, what a God. Oh, what a God, what a God, what a God, mighty God. Can I tell you about the power of this God? He has healed the sick. He has raised the dead. What a God, what a God, what a God. Up from the grave he arose with a mighty triumph for his foe. He arose the victor from the dead to reign, and he lives forever with the saints to reign. He arose, hallelujah, Christ arose, yeah, up from the grave, he arose.
David was one of the greatest musicians, and I hear these musicians playing. Give God glory, musician. Tell them, play a little David, play a little David.